Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a PartnerStack affiliate program tutorial. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money through software affiliate partnerships even without any prior experience. We're going to specifically focus on PartnerStack, which is a leading platform connecting you with thousands of affiliate programs ripe with potential. PartnerStack is an affiliate network similar to platforms like ClickBank or ShareSale, but with a specific focus on software affiliate programs rather than physical or digital products. So in essence, it connects you with software companies seeking help promoting their solutions. And when you refer users who sign up or purchase, you earn generous commissions. You will have access to thousands of software affiliate programs, and the amazing thing is that commission rates sometimes are up to 85%. Focused purely on promoting software products, it's also free and straightforward sign-up process and provides tracking and payouts for your referrals. So if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing with minimal upfront investment, then PartnerStack offers a huge selection of enticing opportunities. Once signed up, the most important step is carefully choosing which affiliate programs to promote from the PartnerStack marketplace. And with thousands of options, you need to assess factors such as the commission rate obviously and the payout structure, the average order value for the software, whether prospects will purchase once or pay ongoing subscriptions, and the total addressable market size and demand for the software. For example, if let's say a program pays up to $420 for each referral you drive to purchase a subscription, for even just 5 sales per month, that would mean $2,100 in recurring passive income. So always crunch the numbers and evaluate the revenue potential before deciding which programs to promote. More competitive niches will be harder to penetrate. The other crucial component is driving targeted, high-intent traffic to your affiliate links. Without visibility and clicks, there are no potential conversions or commissions. And some of the proven strategies that affiliate marketers all around the world utilize include content marketing through blogging and social media. Paid ads on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok convert exceptionally well. You've got SEO by ranking review articles in search engines, and influencer marketing by partnering with relevant influencers. The key is ensuring that your audience aligns closely with the target market for the software that you're promoting. Get your unique affiliate link in front of those most likely to convert. PartnerStack will provide you with creatives and assets to help promote each program, so read their documentation for further traffic and promotion ideas. So for example, on PartnerStack, you can research for Crowdfire or any different kind of social media management software, and evaluating their affiliate program itself, you can see how much it pays per referral for whoever purchases a subscription. Some of them can be very generous. So now all you need to do is drive targeted traffic. For this software, for example, it's aimed at busy business owners and social media managers looking to save time. So you could reach out directly to local business owners through Google Maps, pitch them on the software via email and calls to get the conversions. Alternatively, you could engage influencers in this niche by finding relevant hashtags and profiles on Instagram and TikTok. So the opportunities with this kind of method are endless. So thoroughly vet and select profitable programs and drive targeted traffic through paid and organic strategies. Tracking your stats and optimizing your efforts can take significant work up front, but the recurring passive income potential is massive. Some affiliate marketers can earn up to $10,000 per month once established. I hope that this overview has given you a good understanding of how to tap into the power of software affiliate marketing through PartnerStack as a complete beginner. Let us know if you have any other questions. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found it to be helpful or even enjoyable to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create similar to this one.